When I look back at my first videos, honestly, they were bad. Not because I wasn't trying, I was putting in hours, but I was making mistakes that I didn't even know were mistakes. So today I'm going through 6 of them. If you are new to video editing, you are probably making at least few of these right now. So let's get into it. This one is sneaky because you don't notice it until you export. If your gradients look stripy or harsh, like there are visible steps between colors, that's called color banding, and it's almost always because your project is set to 8-bit. 8-bit limits how many colors your project can use. Switch it to 16-bit or 32-bit and those steps disappear. It's one setting in your composition, just change it at the start of every project and forget about it. See how it just goes? No warning, nothing. It works technically, but it feels cheap. The fix is simple. Anticipation. Before something moves forward, let it pull back just a little first. A small move in the opposite direction before the main one. That tiny pullback is what makes the motion feel like it has energy behind it, like it was loaded before it launched. Without it, everything just slides around. Easy ease. Every beginner finds it, uses it on everything, and thinks they are done. I did the same. The problem is, easy ease is just a starting point. It's not the answer for every single moment in your video. When you put it on everything without touching it, your whole video starts moving at the same pace, and your viewer feels it even if they can't explain why. Everything just feels the same. Some moments should start fast and slow down at the end. Some should build up and then hit hard. Some should just be quick the whole way through. The curve is what controls all of that, and most beginners never touch it. Open the graph editor, pull the handles around, make the curve match what you actually want the movement to feel like. It sounds small, but this is generally one of those things where once you start doing it, you can't go back. Motion blur. It's too basic, but it's way more important than you think it is. When something moves fast on screen, it should blur slightly, the same way a camera captures motion in real life. Without it, fast animations look harsh and unnatural. When you're starting out, using a lot of different fonts feels creative. It's not. It just makes everything harder to read and harder to look at. Stick to 2 fonts per project, one for headlines and one for everything else. That's enough. You can create a lot of variety just through size, weight, and spacing. You don't need more fonts. 3 is absolute max, and the third one should have a specific reason to be there. If you're not sure which fonts to even pick, I made a whole video on 3 best fonts for video editing. I will link it in the description, go watch that after this. Before you even start, a folder for your assets, a folder for your project files, a folder for renders, and inside that, one for work in progress and one for finals, so you never mix them up. Inside After Effects, do the same thing. Use bins. Name your comps something that actually makes sense. Color code your layers so you can read the timeline at a glance. It feels like extra work upfront, but it saves you from losing your mind at 1 AM before a deadline.